OnePlus NORD CE3 Lite 5G is the cheapest OnePlus phone available now, but you will understand why this phone is cheap after watching this video, because in this video I will show you 3 problems that are happening on OnePlus NORD CE3 Lite 5G phones after installing new software updates. The problems that I'm going to talk about in this video includes both hardware as well as software problems, and they were shared by users who were using the phone for a long time. The first problem that I'm going to talk about in this video is a camera problem. This video was shared by a user who went to the service center to get his camera module replaced. So as you can see in the video, the camera module seems to be having problem in distinguishing colors and areas of different brightness. So because of that, it's giving green tint to areas it cannot recognize. It seems like the Samsung sensor used in Note CE3 Lite is not at all capable, and it's also having fault, especially after the new software update. Anyways, all of us know that this phone is not at all that good when it comes to photography. The second problem that I'm going to talk about is hang problem that many people are facing after the new update. And the third problem is lag issue as well as touch unresponsiveness after the new update, as well as when you're using the phone for heavy duty stuff like gaming. So both these problems are happening because of the Snapdragon 695 sensor on this phone, along with its LPDDR4X RAM as well as UFS 2.2 internal storage. The Snapdragon 695 processor is getting bottlenecked because of the software as well as the memory bandwidth. So when you are using the phone for gaming or doing any other heavy duty work as well as using multiple apps at the same time, the phone fails to respond, and because of that it hangs or lags or shows touch unresponsiveness. So the only solution for this problem is pressing and holding volume down button and power button to force shut down the phone and then restart it normally. Finally, as a conclusion, I hope you have understood that this phone is only good for basic tasks like making phone calls, using basic WhatsApp, etc, etc. If you have anything else to add to what I have said, please feel free to mention them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this.